Hello everyone, let's talk about an important topic today. Religious discrimination. Religious discrimination is the unfair treatment of individuals based on their religious beliefs, practices, or affiliations. This can occur in various areas of life, such as employment, housing, education, and public accommodations. Now, what does the law say about this? Several key laws in the United States protect against religious discrimination. First, there's Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964. This law prohibits discrimination in public and private employment for employers with 15 or more employees. It also requires employers to provide reasonable accommodations for employees' religious practices, unless doing so would cause undue hardship. Then we have the Fair Housing Act. This act prohibits religious discrimination in the rental, sale, and financing of homes. And let's not forget the First Amendment to the U.S. Constitution, which protects religious freedom and prohibits government-sponsored religious activities in public schools. Religious discrimination can manifest in several ways. Direct discrimination involves treating someone less favorably because of their religion. Indirect discrimination happens when policies or practices disadvantage people of certain religions. Harassment includes offensive or intimidating behavior related to a person's religion. Lastly, there's the failure to provide reasonable accommodations, where necessary adjustments for religious practices in the workplace aren't made. Religious discrimination is prohibited in key areas such as employment, housing, education, and public accommodations. For example, refusing to hire someone because of their religious beliefs is a form of discrimination. Denying housing to a person based on their religion, imposing dress codes that conflict with religious attire without reasonable accommodation, and harassing an employee because of their religious practices are all examples of religious discrimination. If you believe you've experienced religious discrimination, there are steps you can take. For employment issues, file a charge with the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission. For housing discrimination, report to the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development. And for public accommodation issues, contact your state or local human rights agency. Remember, it's illegal to retaliate against someone for filing a discrimination complaint or participating in a related investigation. Thanks for watching and stay informed.